A Saginaw Valley State University student having her visa revoked. It is happening across the country. College students who have been in the United States on student visas having their visas revoked. And some students are being deported because the government says they took part in pro-Palestinian protests. So Terry, why is the SVSU student losing her academic visa?
Well, Angie, that is not entirely clear, but we do know she's been attending SVSU since July 2023. In February, she received a ticket from Saginaw police, and her attorney believes that's the reason her student visa has been revoked.
My client is a young woman from India who is here on an academic or student visa, and she's studying to earn a master's degree.
Attorney Nathan Collison is talking about a 23-year-old Saginaw Valley State University student whose future is now in limbo. We are not identifying her, but she was in a Saginaw County courtroom on Monday. Court papers indicate she was issued a ticket and arrested in February, accused of yelling at and interfering with a Saginaw police officer who was arresting the driver of the car she was a passenger in. The man was being arrested for an outstanding warrant concerning an unpaid fine in Midland County. Saginaw County Assistant Prosecutor Don Klein explained the student received an email last week from the U.S. Embassy in India saying her visa was revoked. Klein read from the email in court.
Visa office informs you that additional information became available after your visa was issued, where they're now revoking it. It doesn't say why.
ABC 12 News has received a copy of that email. It says in part, remaining in the United States without a lawful immigration status can result in fines, detention, and/or deportation. Please note that deportation can take place at a time that does not allow the person being deported to secure possessions or conclude affairs in the United States. Persons being deported may be sent to countries other than their countries of origin. The ticket for resisting was dismissed, but Collison says his client now faces deportation.
She wasn't just scared. I mean, she was very, very upset. The entire investment that she has so far in travel expenses, living expenses, and her tuition is over $40,000.
Collison believes the student's visa is being revoked because of the ticket for resisting. And SVSU has released a statement saying the school did not receive any notification of a status change for the student. It is asking the Federal Student and Exchange Visitor Program for information for the termination of the student's visa.